So we're trying something new. We're at the KPOT. Might just
get some crab.
So you get a soup base, and then this has a huge menu. They bring you rice, they bring you your soup base. Mike got some crab legs and he's heating them up in this mushroom base. So you put your order in here, and you get it to the beginning. So it starts with the hot power plate and it just keeps going down. And it goes to the barbecue. And this is everything you can put. These are sides that you can put in your soup bowl. This is your hot pot seafood. Shrimp, scallops, tofu, veggies. So basically you put the order in on this little tablet. That's for the barbecue where you cook it in here. The different meats, vegetables, more meat. Sorry. Big shrimp. Veggies. So my soup base is boiling. I'm just waiting for stuff to put inside it.
Do these go on the grill? I think they do.
Right here. Look at he's got namba, he's got some shrimp, meat, chicken. I think we picked the wrong thing when we did this. We got an actual steak. Mine stuff in my bowl. I got my rice. This is mine after I put all my
Hi,
sauce.
Sister. I'll be taking over. My name is Izzy. If you guys need anything at all, just let me know, okay?
Thank you.
Can I get a cup of ice?
Yeah, just ice.
Yeah. You need more water?
So when you're cooking and your pot gets, your grill gets clogged, they will bring you a new one. So Mike, what did you think about your experience?
That was a lot of food, but it was very good.